Flashing a Sony Xperia phone and have a SYN firmware file? This is a Sony-specific firmware partition image for Xperia devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Sony mobile firmware files for device flashing and recovery. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep SIN file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. A user encounters a SYN file when manually updating or restoring the operating system on a Sony Xperia smartphone. These files are critical components of a larger firmware package, containing parts of the Android system like the kernel or system partition, and are flashed to the device using specialized tools. The SYN format is a proprietary binary container used by Sony to package firmware components. It includes a header with metadata and a data payload, which may be compressed or encrypted. This design ensures the integrity of the firmware and controls how it is installed on the device during a flash operation. The application responsible for generating the SIN file is typically Sony Flashtool for Xperia by Sony Mobile Communications. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows displays only high-level attributes, so firmware inspection requires specialized software. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the SIN file and choose Open With. Prioritize Sony Flashtool for Xperia if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If the SIN file won't open, don't panic. Failure of the main program tells us the SIN error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, flashing with Flashtool. Download Flashtool, the popular community Sony Xperia flashing utility from flashtool.net. Place the SYN files within an FTF firmware container or load directly. Connect your Xperia device in flash mode by holding volume keys during USB connection. Use Flashtool's flash function to write the SYN files to the device. Next, using Sony EMA. Sony EMA is Sony's official firmware flashing tool available to authorized service centers. If you have Access Launch, EMA connect your Xperia device and select the appropriate firmware package containing SYN files. EMA handles the flashing process with proper signature verification and recovery options. Finally, extracting SYN contents. Use Flashtool's SYN editor or Python scripts available in Xperia developer communities to extract partition data from SYN files. Extracted images can be examined or modified for advanced device customization. Repack modified data back to SYN format for flashing to compatible Xperia devices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.